Hey Laura.
Hello, Jackie.
How are you?
I'm good.
That's good. Guess what?
What?
I don't know.
I still can't remember the surprise.
I know, okay, I don't know what we're gonna tell them the surprise is. I'm like, the surprise is to meet my cousin. Surprise!
Or I'm like a ray of sunshine.
Yeah,
something like that.
brightness.
Yes, exactly.
I'm looking outside and I can't even look outside because the window's closed. See? There's an outside over there though. Oh wait, wrong one. There you go. There's an outside right there. It's too dark. You can't see. Oh wait, look at the pretty lights. Pretty lights. Anyways, so I'm close to my home. I just have to stop there for 2 minutes. Oh man, okay. You know what? Patrick? You're slow. Look what time it is. Oh, we can't really see that.
It's 12:44.
12:44. And you said you got off work at 9 o'clock. So that's why we asked you to come over. And now it's almost 1 o'clock. And you're still not here. And you still look the top of your head. Oh my god, what's up with that?
Patrick. That's a funny name.
That's a street I live on.
Really? Oh.
He's like, what house number do you live on? I was like, 14. He's like, damn. Wait, I mean, I'm the 12. I cannot believe I just said that. I live at 12, Patrick, to make that clear, not 14.
Oh, sometimes I worry.
I live at 12. And he asked me if I lived at 10. I was like, wait, he wanted to know if I lived at 10. Why would I say 14?
24. What?
I live at 21. I'm just kidding, 12. The music's gone.
I don't know, turn it back on. I broke it or something.
Okay, see that? Wait, right over there. I'm not gonna
Facebook anywhere. Okay.
I'm putting this on Facebook, but I'm just gonna not let her see it. I'm gonna put it as, you know, you can let people see it if you're not. Like, I'm gonna put
I think
privacy.
I'm gonna like delete it.
Delete her?
Delete her.
Delete her.
She's too like.
She creeps me out sometimes.
I don't want to read it.
You said what?
Oh.
Okay, anyways, we want her back down because we tried too much. Can you hold it for a bit?
Okay.
You don't have to put it. Okay, it's upside down.
No.
Why are you pointing at me, yo?
Because
guess what? I'm a gangster. I'm a straight up G. The gangster life is the life on me. Killing people by day, selling drugs by night. The gangster life is hella tight. I can't hold it. Why can't you? It's pointing at my boobs. Hallelujah. Don't go into the light, people. Hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.
how do you?
Why would you even sing that? Function? You sound like a blob. I mean a bloop. 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 Okay, I'll have to turn this off now. We're fucking like making a fool out of myself.
Bye.